Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm making Japanese steamed rice using Instant Pot. I've received many requests from you for this recipe, and I'll go over 3 important tips when making the perfect steamed rice in the Instant Pot. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys have been watching this video till the end, here's the Japanese word of the day. Oishii. It means delicious in Japanese. To say this is delicious, you can say これは美味しいです。When it's really delicious, you can say これはとても美味しいです。If the steamed rice is very delicious, you can say ご飯はとても美味しいです。Have fun using it! Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね!